In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to position elements in Canva. If you've ever tried to line things up perfectly or place something at an exact spot, this method will save you time and give you pixel level accuracy. Start by opening your project in Canva and make sure you're on the page where your element lives. Click the element you want to position precisely. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around it and the toolbar appears across the top of the editor. With the element selected, go to the top toolbar and click the Position button. This opens a panel on the left side of your screen. In that panel, look for the section labeled Advanced. Inside Advanced, you'll see two fields, X and Y. These represent the element's position on the canvas. X is the horizontal position measured from the left edge, and Y is the vertical position measured from the top edge. Think of it like a simple graph, where the top left corner of your page is 0, 0. To place your element exactly where you want it, type the value you need into the X field for left to right movement and into the Y field for top to bottom movement. The units are typically in pixels, which makes it easy to be very precise. You can use whole numbers for clean placement or decimals if you need ultra-fine adjustments. After you enter a value, press Enter or click outside the field to apply it. You'll see the element snap to the exact coordinates immediately. If the numbers don't seem to match where you expect the element to land, double-check that you're working on the correct page size and that the element you want is indeed selected. Remember, the X and Y values reference the element's position on the overall canvas, not just relative to other elements. Also, if you have multiple items selected as a group, the X and Y values apply to the group's overall position. This approach works the same way for images, shapes, text boxes, and most other elements in Canva. It's especially useful when you need consistent spacing across several pages, when you're matching a brand layout, or when you're recreating a design with exact measurements. Once you've entered the X and Y values you want, that's it. Your element is precisely placed. Repeat the process for any other elements you want to fine-tune. With this simple method, select the element, click Position, go to Advanced, and set X and Y, you can achieve clean, consistent layouts every time.